Okay, this is just a review, surface and volume review. So, to be honest, if you've taken the notes for the other lessons that have surface area and volume, then you probably don't have to sit here and listen to me again. But if you want a refresher, then this is what we're going to do. It says, what is the surface area of this triangular pyramid? So the surface, there are 4 surfaces that we need to figure out how much the area is going to be. So surface area. We have the base, which is the triangle. So that would be base times height divided by 2. So that's the, let me put base. And then we have the 3 sides that are going up to the point, and all of those are the same size. So we have 3 triangles that make up the faces, and that would be base times height divided by 2. So these are the sides. So the base of the triangle, the base of the triangle is 19. The height of the base of the triangle is 16.5. And we're going to divide by that by 2. We have 3. The base of the side is 19, and the height is 13, and we're going to divide that by 2. I'm going to plug that into my calculator. And that's a 5. Area, so meters, millimeters squared. Volume of a cone, 1/3 area of the base, which would be big B, times height. And the shape of the base is a circle, so the way to find the area of the bottom of the base, which would be pi squared, so 1/3. We're going to use 3.14. Radius, it'd be good to be able to actually read the problem. We do not know the radius because we're finding it, but if we did know the radius and we plugged it in, we would get 769.3. So to undo this, we are going to multiply this by 3. 769.3 times 3, 2307.9. Now we're going to divide by 3.14. So your radius that is squared, you get 735. So to undo that, we're going to square root it. And we're going to round. So 27.11. That's not right because I didn't finish the formula. Just trying to get it too fast. I didn't finish the formula. I didn't put the height in here. So we do 15 right here. See you later. And once I divided by 3.14, I should have also divided by 15. There we go. That sounds better. So r squared is 49. So what do you square to get 49? 7. So the radius is 7. What's the surface area of a sphere? The surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. We're going to put 3.14 in there. The radius is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 12.56 feet squared. Volume of the sphere, 4/3 pi r cubed. What is this right here? This is the diameter. Nowhere in the formula uses diameter, but we do need a radius. So how are we going to find the radius? We're going to take half the diameter and get 19. And then we're going to plug all that into the calculator. 4 times 3.14 times 19 to the third divided by 3. And we're going to round to the hundredth. 28716.35 inches cubed. Volume 1/3 area at the base times height. This 12 times 12 is the big B, because big B stands for area of the base, which would be that right there. And then this 12 is the height of the rectangular pyramid. So 12 to the third divided by 3, 576. Surface area, what is the height? Okay, so how do you find surface area? 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. 3.14, 19 squared, 3.14. I don't know the height, but if I did, I would get 4,295.52. This is 2 times 3.14 times 19 to the second. 2267.08, 6.28H. Now we're going to subtract this. .28H equals 202,844. $323. Surface area of sphere. Okay, so I don't know the radius because they gave me the surface area. It's 1256. So I'm going to divide 200.96 divided by 1256 and get 16. R squared equals 16. If I take the square root of that, I know that R is 4. Now the reason I needed to know that is because the question was volume. And volume is 4/3 pi r cubed, and I needed to know the volume, or we wouldn't have been able to do the problem. And the 3 is 4, 4 times 3.14 times 4 to the third divided by 3. 267.95. The volume is 2,700. If you did C times C times C to get 2,700, that would have been C to the third. To undo cubing, you cube root, and that would be 30 millimeters. What is the surface area? 2, 5 times 5 plus 2, 5 times 5 plus 2, 5 times 5, 25, 50. So that's going to be 50. So that's going to be 50, so it's 150. So it'll be 226 times t plus 2 t times 29 plus 26 times 29, and then there's 2 of them, and then we would have got 2168, 52t, 58t, not a clue, 26 times 29 times 2, 1508, equals 2168, subtract, add up these like terms, which will be 110, 0, 6, 6, divided by 110, t is 6. I'm going to have to start a new video to finish out the rest of this because I don't think I'll have enough time on this reel.